upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into a showdown between two cleaning titans, the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam and the Bissell SpinWave SmartSteam Scrubbing Steam Mop. It's a battle of steaminess. Will it be the multitasking vacuum or the steam mop with a twist? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about price. The PowerFresh Vac and Steam comes in at $185, while the SpinWave is a more budget-friendly option at $159. Reviewers appreciate the SpinWave for its affordability, making it a great choice for those looking to save some cash without sacrificing quality. So if you want to save a few bucks, the SpinWave is the way to go. Now, let's discuss functionality. The PowerFresh Vac and Steam is like a Swiss Army knife for your floors, as it vacuums and steams simultaneously, which many reviewers find extremely convenient, especially for families with kids and pets. On the other hand, the SpinWave is a dedicated steam mop that scrubs and shines, but does not vacuum. Reviewers love its simplicity and effectiveness, perfect for those who need a reliable cleaning companion. Cleaning power is next. The PowerFresh claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, which has garnered positive feedback from users who appreciate its sanitizing capabilities. However, some reviewers mention that while the steam mop is effective for cleaning, it may not overpower tough stains. Meanwhile, the SpinWave is praised for its intelligent controls and scrubbing ability, but it may not have the same germ-killing prowess as the PowerFresh. It's a trade-off between sanitization and scrubbing prowess. When it comes to ease of use, the PowerFresh has easy-touch digital controls, which can be a bit complicated according to some users. They mention needing to refer to the manual at times, which might not be the most user-friendly experience. In contrast, the SpinWave is noted for its removable water tank and washable pads, making it easy to fill and clean. Reviewers appreciate this straightforward design, making it less of a hassle to maintain. Finally, let's look at additional features. The SpinWave boasts LED headlights, perfect for cleaning under furniture, and a swivel head that reviewers love for its maneuverability. In comparison, the PowerFresh includes microfiber pads and a detachable mop pad tray, which allows for easy maintenance. Customers enjoy feeling like cleaning superheroes with the PowerFresh, while the SpinWave is celebrated for its clever design and scrubbing capabilities. Overall, reviewers appreciate the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam for its multifunctionality and effective cleaning, although some find it a bit complex to use. The SpinWave SmartSteam Scrubbing Steam Mop is favored for its affordability, simplicity, and effective scrubbing capabilities, making it a great choice for many households. So there you have it, folks. The Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam is your all-in-one powerhouse, while the SpinWave SmartSteam Scrubbing Steam Mop is your stylish scrubbing sidekick. Which one is right for you? It all depends on your cleaning style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Remember, product links are in the description. Keep those floors sparkling and those decisions sharp. Bye!